Hi, this is Alan Ackles. Welcome to Manufacturing Marvels. Today we're in Jonesboro, Arkansas, and home of Camfil APC. Camfil APC takes pride in their outstanding line of products, from dust and fume collection to mist extraction. They cover a wide variety of applications, including combustible materials. In addition to replacement filters for their own collectors, they offer a full range of filters for competitors' collectors as well. At the core of their mission, Camfil APC is dedicated to cleaning dust, mist, and fumes from factories, making them safer and more productive. The state-of-the-art Jonesboro facility uses advanced dust collection and metalworking equipment, rigorous safety and quality processes to achieve several ISO certifications. Streamlined manufacturing employs computer numeric control systems and certified welders, ensuring precision and compliance across operations. At Camfil APC, their goal is to be green, starting with the environmental benefits of their products. Their trademarked hemi-pleat technology revolutionized the air pollution control industry by delivering high efficiency in a filter that lasts twice as long as competitive products. Their newest and most innovative pleating technology, titled OmniPleat, is set to launch this year with even better performance. The Jonesboro facility houses an impressive research and development lab, equipment to identify and analyze a customer's dust, and performance-standardized ASHRAE testing. Camfil APC is supported by a global network of highly trained manufacturers' representatives committed to air pollution control. Clean up your factory today and visit them at camfilapc.com. This is Alan Ackles for Manufacturing Marvels.